Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have a pack of around 400 colorful enemy battlers by Jigoku Kaba, a character art of a young person with long hair by Sasatoya, and an adventure horror game in which an art student gets stuck inside a school after breaking a rule. A pack of generator parts for MV and MZ by DJ990J. A collection of 140 magic spell related sound effects by Daydream Sound and Komodo. Retro Tilesets of a fire dungeon by Jif. And lastly, an art of MZ-chan by Neo Kasegami. He also made a chibi sketch of her. And then, Amy Soros made a sprite of her to use as a cameo in a game she is working on called Stargazers. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.